Hey guys, it's Sabrina, and today I have a very exciting video for you. So I actually got a new camera. So I got the Canon G7X Mark II camera, and today I'll be unboxing it and showing you everything that came in the Amazon bundle that I got. So let's go ahead and dive in. We'll open up the camera last. So the first thing that comes in the box is just a tripod. So it's a little, it looks like a table tripod, and I think that this one can like flex. So if you want to have it like down on the ground or on the desk or whatever, it just flexes to any shape. So this will be really good with vlogging and just keeping in my camera bag. The next thing that comes in the box is this little blower, and this actually gets like dust and stuff off the sensor. So this will be really good to have, especially when I'm out on the go. So you just squeeze it like this and it gets the dust off the lens and the filter, or the sensor. The next thing that's in the box is this little professional series starter kit. So it comes with a cleaning cloth, a screen protector, a cleaning spray, a mini tabletop tripod, and 5 cotton cleaning swabs. So I'll just go ahead and open it if it's not going to be obnoxious to open. So we just have this cute little tripod that I don't know if this is going to fit the camera or not, or hold it up, I should say. And we just have this little cleaning kit. That'll be nice to keep in my camera bag. And then we have the cleaning cloth. And we have the universal screen protector. So that will be nice. And then we just have this SanDisk 32 gigabyte memory card. So this is actually really good to come with a kit like that. If for the price that I got the camera for, that's a really good price for that, because these usually run about $30 when they're not on sale, of course. The next thing that is in the box is another tripod. So this one actually extends up 3 times. So it's another tabletop tripod, but it will go higher than the other one. So this one will be really nice to have, especially when you're filming from different angles. This one will be nice. And then you get this little, so next you just get this little camera bag, and this will fit probably the camera, the extra battery, and then the cleaning supplies. I actually have another camera case, so I'm not going to be, sorry about Emma, so I'm not going to be using this camera bag. But it'll be nice to have if I ever just want to carry one camera. And the next thing we have is this. So I guess I really honestly don't even know. I guess a handheld tripod stabilizer thing. I'm not sure. I'm going to have to see what exactly this is, because I am not sure. So we have this, and then looks like the last thing that we have besides the camera is this little, I guess it's a thumb drive. Oh, it's an SD card reader. So this goes straight into the camera, or straight with the SD card into the camera, which is really nice because I realized that my computer does not have a way to read SD cards. So this will be nice for when I want to edit on the computer. So now we have the final show. We have the camera. I am so excited. I was actually eyeing the Canon G7X, the regular one, for years, and now I finally have the Mark II. So we have what looks like a European charger. And we have the battery charger. So I guess this is what it means by it being the international version. So it'll come with the international charger, but it also came with the American charger, which is nice because obviously I'm not in Europe. So we have the camera charger. Now we have the camera. So this will be so nice for vlogging, and it's got the infamous flip up screen. So it's actually a lot smaller than I was anticipating, and it's also going to fit really nice in my hands for when I'm vlogging. I am so excited for this camera. And it actually comes out like this too. And then it goes up. So I am excited to film with this and to show you guys. Let's see if it'll turn on. I don't think it will. It's probably dead as a doornail. Or it doesn't have, no. I'm just an idiot and it doesn't have a battery in it. So let's get this battery out. So, and it turns on. So we just have the camera. So I'm gonna get this all set up and I will do a vlog with it and show you guys how exactly I love this camera. So far, I'm so excited. I've read a lot of reviews about it the past few days. So I am super excited to try this out, and I will give you guys an update this weekend. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I can't wait to show you my first video with my new camera. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.